I have been dying to get my hands on this beautiful palette. It has got 12 beautiful and stunning true to form Charlotte Tilbury colours in here, and today we try them out. Hi guys, Ange here. Thanks for joining me. Welcome to my channel. If you would like to see videos based around mature beauty, lifestyle, skincare, they're the sorts of videos that I like to post. So if you think that sounds like you, please consider clicking on the subscribe button down below to see more videos from me. However, in today's video, I'm going to take you through the Charlotte Tilbury Icon eyeshadow palette. This stunning palette retails for $65 US. That is a fantastic price. The total weight of this palette is 24 grams because there are 12 pans of colour, each at 2 grams each. If you were to purchase one of her quads, this is a total of 5.2 grams. That's a huge difference. 12 grams, 5.2 grams, $65 for the Icon palette and $53 US for a 4-pan quad. So if you are wanting to try out Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows, this is a perfect way to experience the wonderful formula of Charlotte Tilbury. Now these shadows are very versatile. They are multi-use shadows and they feature a velvety silk satin texture that can be used wet or dry. Now today I've used mine all dry and I have got wonderful pigment and payoff with that, and I would have to try again with the experience of trying them wet, but I am absolutely happy with the way this eye look turned out using them completely dry. They apply beautifully with a brush or with your fingers. I used my brush to apply the majority of my shadows, but then I used my finger to just apply a highlight colour at the end. So if you would like to see how I achieved this eye look using this beautiful palette, then please keep watching. So, beautiful palette. Let's tuck into it. First up, I am going to prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape. I use the Tarte Shape Tape for my eye primer because I don't like it under my eyes and I can't think of any other way that I would use it up. So it is perfect for priming my eyes. Now this is the first time I had tucked into this palette and I'm so excited. I love Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows. So seeing as there doesn't seem to be a matte cream base there, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star powder that I used just before and I am going to set my lids. Now this palette is designed to go down in trios this way. I may mix and match them, we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this first colour from the Day Eyes and pop that all over the lid. I might go in a really weird direction here. I think I'm going to veer off and go for the blues and the greens to be fair. I'm not sure. Maybe just the green. Maybe just the green, we'll see. Then going in with a Morphe R40 brush. Go in with the middle shade here and use that as a transition colour Once again, because of those hooded eyes, I'm going higher up. Just circular, little circular motions, but in the wide scheme of things as a windshield wiper, and they do blend beautifully. I mean, you could stop this 2 shadows and have a beautiful daytime look, but seeing as we're playing with makeup, I may continue. I'm going to take a Zoeva 225 brush and I'm going to try the green. And I'm going to try the green very tentatively, but I'm going to put that all over my lid actually. Quite pretty. Okay, now I might get really bold and try the blue. This could go pear-shaped, guys. So let's try the blue. On the outer. It looks different to what it is in the pan. It looks like a royal blue in the pan. It's actually showing up with the green especially more of a peacock blue. I've just got the tiniest amount of fallout, but nothing that can't be rectified. Definitely something different for me, guys. Now I think for under my eyes I'll use the green. And the brush I'm using for this is the Makeup Geek Outer V brush. I'm going to use the same brush and take the blue just to connect it to that outer wee bit of the eye. This is a look outside of the comfort zone for me. Okay, so now I also dip into the black and just ever so slightly deepen up the very outer corner. I'm really surprised with how deep and dark these colours are, that the fallout is truly minimal. To finish all of that off, I'm going back in with the first original brush and this middle colour here, just to blend it all out in the top. doing little circular to get that out, to blend that out. I'm going to take my finger and use this colour here and just pop that, I hope I don't ruin this now, in the centre. And just pat. Like so. Then taking my palette brush that was in the Dose of Colours palette, I'm going to take the first colour that I used and ended up covering up and just popping that in the inner corner. I will line the upper waterline with my NARS Via Veneto, add a little bit of mascara to my under eyes and my extensions. Well, all I can say is I'm pleased I played a little bit today, because I am really pleased with the way that came out. I'll just brush my eyebrows up. So that's the finished look. And I have to say I'm really happy about that and glad I decided to play a little bit today. Please give that a thumbs up if you like the fact that I did something different for a change. I must admit I was going to go in there and do the good old same old Ange eyeshadows of the more neutral shades, but I am really pleased I branched out a little bit. These are just beautiful. So I'm chuffed. That was my first play using that palette. I've been dying to bust this out. I have thoroughly enjoyed using that today. I think they are true to form for Charlotte Tilbury. I just love her shadows. So if you enjoyed that, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel, and definitely let me know if you would like to see any other looks using this palette. Thank you so much for taking the time for joining me, guys. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later. Bye.